Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my geography class. Now, my topic is forest and the wildlife resources. So, हम लोग रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो अभी हम लोग फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसोर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो शुरू करते हैं. सो ये जो रिसोर्स है, ये हम लोग एक कैटेगरिकली हम लोग डिवाइड किया है. दैट इज द नॉर्मल स्पीसीज. नॉर्मल मीन्स दैट इज द स्पीसीज हु population levels and considered to be the normal for their survival, such as the cattle, sail, pine, etc. That is, इसके बाद जो है endangered species. That is the examples. That is the danger of जो species का existence जो है वो in danger, जो खत्म होने वाला है, like black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, etc. इसके बाद vulnerable species. ये pieces जो है population as the declared to the level of it's likely to move and the endangered to category. जो इतना ये जो species है वो क्या है, जो अपने population के हिसाब से कम है लेकिन अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है, तो इसी को हम vulnerable species हम बोल सकते हैं. that is the blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, डॉल्फिन, गैंजेटिक डॉल्फिन, etc. इसके बाद हम लोग बात करेंगे रेयर स्पीसीज के बारे में, जो रेयर है. दैट इज द एशियाटिक बफेलो, डेजर्ट फॉक्स, हॉर्नबिल, etc. दैट इज द एंडेमिक स्पीसीज. एंडेमिक स्पीसीज जो है दैट इज अंडमान टेल, निकोबार पिजन, अंडमान वाइल्ड पिग. ये सब स्पीसीज जो है ये लगभग खत्म हो गया है, होने वाला है. तो इसके बाद जो है that is the local area existing from the local area region country, that is the Asiatic cheetah, pink head duck, etc. The conservation of the forest wildlife, India Wildlife Act is implemented in 1972. So the central government also announced to the several projects for the protecting species animal under the Wildlife Act in 1980 to 1986 and 1986. Several hundred butterflies, moths, battle, and that is the dragonfly has been added to the list in 1991. For the first time, plant were also added to the list, starting with the 6 species. Type of the distribution of the forest and the wildlife, that is the reserve forest, protected forest, and unclassed forest. Reserve forest क्या है? Reserve forest, more than the half of the total forest in India has been declared as a reserve forest. Protected forest, the forest department has declared 1/3 of the total forest area is protected forest. And unclassed forest, there are a forest and the wasteland which belong to the both government and the private individual and communities. Northeastern states and the parts of the Gujarat have a high percentage of their forest to the unclassed forest. So हम लोग जो forest है उसको हम 3 तरीके से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. ये आपको क्वेश्चन में आ ही सकता है. सो रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट क्या है ये हम जानते हैं. रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट में भी कुछ कुछ फॉरेस्ट जो है वो प्रोटेक्टेड है, एंड अनक्लास्ड फॉरेस्ट जो है वो गवर्नमेंट प्राइवेट बोथ दोनों के अंदर ही आते हैं. तो इसको हम कहते हैं unclassed forest. So community and conservation in the Sri Lanka Tiger Reserve, Rajasthan, that is the villages have fought against the mining of the Wildlife Protection Act. In the inhabitants of the 5 villages of the Alwar districts in Rajasthan declared as the 1200, that is hectare forest to the Biharo Dev the cow, that is the Sonchuri. That is the village came with their own set of the rules of the regulations which is not allowing to hunting. ये जो राजस्थान का जो विलेज है यहाँ पर हंटिंग करने में मना है. They are also protecting the wildlife against any outside of the encroachment. The famous चिपको मूवमेंट, इसमें ये जो वाइल्ड लाइफ रिस्ट्रिक्शन जो है, इसमें चिपको मूवमेंट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस मूवमेंट इज ऑल्सो रिजल्टेड टू द कम्युनिटी एफोरेस्टेशन, दैट इज द फार्मर्स एंड द सिटीजन्स ग्रुप like to the Veg Bachao Andolan and the Tihari and Navadaya have shown to the adequate levels of the crop production without the synthetic chemicals and the possible of the economically viable. India joined the Forest Management JFM, that is the program that is furnishes a good example to the involving of the local communities in the management of the restoration and the degraded forest. So thank you so much. That's all for now. Please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.